beds of the water. Wow. Look at the boat. Somebody's driving the boat. Ah, like that. Look at the beds of the water. The ducks. Some are moving in the boat on the water. I like that. Guys, this is really nice. I cannot believe this. What a nice place to be at this time of the year, this time of the day. Guys, this is a tourist place. Many tourists come here because they want to see the birthplace of William Shakespeare. Look at the beds of the water. They are enjoying themselves. Somebody's driving a boat there. Wow. He's enjoying himself in the water. It's going. It's going. There's another big boat coming. It's going the other way. It's going the other direction. Big boat. I think it's going to park. Yeah, it's going to park. Stratford on Avon. That means the town is Stratford. It's on the Avon River. That's what it means. Stratford on Avon. Stratford on Avon. Oh, I'm still going, guys. nice place to be today. It's lovely, guys. It's a very nice place. You know what? I haven't been here before, no? I've never been here before. It's a nice place to spend the day. Super. Yes, guys, I'm in Stratford upon Avon today. I hope you're enjoying the videos or this video. I took quite a few, but I hope you enjoy them all. I hope you enjoy the videos, guys. It's been a pleasure to be here. It's always a pleasure. Oh, that boat was coming over. I thought it was going to park. Look at that. The boat is coming over. Oh, I like that. Look, they're enjoying themselves, this guy. Enjoying in the boat. Oh. Wow. I love the boat. Oh, people are enjoying. Look at that. The boat is going, it's cruising. The boat is cruising. I thought it was going to park, but it was coming over. Oh. I think that's where it ends, then it comes back. It doesn't pass there. Stop now. Look. It's coming back. The boat is coming back. Look, it's coming back now. Oh, look at this bed. Oh. Look at those little ones. This is fascinating, guys. Fascinating. Just fascinating. Look at these small ducks. What is going back? Oh. It's fascinating, guys. What is going back now? Lovely. The river Avon is big, guys. It's massive. It's just a big, big river. I just want to get to the top and see what's there. See what's beyond the point. I don't go beyond this point, but I will go. I have to see what's there. Keep left for lock. Guys, I've made a long video here. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you enjoy, guys. Stratford upon Avon. These are some green spaces around here. Guys, this is a lovely place. Up there, trimming the trees as well. Oh, lovely place. Let's see what's here. That's the lock. Okay. Guys, this is the lock for the boats. Stratford new lock, where they open for the boats to pass through. Wow, this is marvelous there. It's an absolute chuff. There you go. It's a nice place, guys. Look at it. So the boat will move through here, and then they'll open there, and the boat passes through. It's just good to see, guys. Just good to see. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on YouTube or subscribe to my channel and watch more videos like this. Okay, bye guys, bye.